Hi, Servando Roscoe. Welcome to Roscoe's Auto Service. Today, I am going to talk about how to save money by servicing your transmission on time. One of the most expensive and hardest working systems in your vehicle is the automatic transmission. Transmission fluid over time degrades and it stops, protecting the hundreds of moving parts. Transmission fluid only does three things: build pressure, cool down, and lubricate the components. That means when the fluid is deficient, it can no longer do its job. As a result, drivers complain of hard shifting, slipping, and shutting. The Roscoe's Transmission Service uses safe and effective cleaning products to dissolve and suspend the varnish and gums in the transmission lines and coolers. All fluid is removed and replaced with premium transmission fluid and conditioner, thanks to Roscoe's Auto Service team.